Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with another quick Divi Pro Tip. So today I'm going to show you how to make your hero section full height. So a lot of times you have on the home page, the landing page, you have a nice section at the top and you want it to be the full height of the screen. And that's actually really easy to do with a little trick. I'm going to show you how to do that. It'll be the full height of whatever device someone's using. All right, let's get started, show you how to do that.
All right, so here I have an example layout. I have this, what I'm calling my hero section right here. So you can see it's the blue section, and I want this blue section with the image in the background to go all the way to the bottom, and I don't want there to be any like white space, starting the next section on any device. So right now I'm on desktop. Let's switch over to some other devices quick. You can see, it's not coming down very far at all. There we are on phone. Okay. So this is really quick. Let's go into the section settings. So go up here to the gear icon in the blue section. Go over here to the advanced tab and look for the custom CSS toggle. And then look for main element. Okay. Now I do have a link, if you're watching this on YouTube, a link to my blog post where you can grab this snippet, but it's really quick to type too. You can just type this out. So type in min dash height colon and then say 100 VH. So what that's saying is I want the minimum height of this section, the minimum height. So like, I could just say height, but minimum height is it's much better. So I want the minimum height to be 100% of your screen height, the viewport height. So it's pretty simple. You're just saying, I want the height of this section to be the same height as whatever screen you're using. Just this simple line of code. So let's just save that. And you can see already, when I scroll down, you can see where the blue section ends right there at the end of my screen. So let's check on other devices. Let's go to tablet. And this is obviously in the Divi Builder preview. But you can already see that it's the exact height. See that when I scroll, it's the exact height. And let's go to phone. All right. So you're gonna still have to adjust, your spacing and padding, depending what you put in here. I mean, obviously you can't stuff it full of things and expect it to fit, and that type of stuff. But overall, this trick is going to work really well to get your hero section full height.
Okay, so that's how you make a full height hero section in Divi. If you found that helpful, be sure that you're subscribed here and be on the lookout for more Divi tutorials and Divi Pro tips. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.